I'm going to show you some new tricks. We have some new parts. We have some new tricks up our sleeve. This underground buried downspout system is like no other. We have reinvented a few components when it comes to building an underground buried downspout system. Now notice how the leaf filter and the riser come down the wall of the house. When they go underground, that fitting's not a true 90. It's not quite a 90. You can see how it's sloped. It automatically puts the correct slope on the line to the catch basin. This kit scored 10 out of 10 when reviewed by Contractors. All right, this is what the perfect downspout run looks like. We got a leaf filter with riser. Our 90-degree French drain man is not quite a 90. This is already has the slope figured in. We went to 3-inch corrugated. We have our 1-gallon inline catch basin. This will hold 1 gallon of shingle gravel. Just pop that top, clean it out with a shop vac once, every couple of years, just for a peace of mind. Notice how we're under the sprinklers. This is our 3-inch plus line. This is a really big 3-inch line. It's bigger than the other lines. We make special fittings for our 3-inch plus. Look at that. Just go under or over all the sprinklers. Beautiful install, beautiful run. We got to the other side of this big tree. We're getting the water far away. Never dump the water on the side of the house. Do it right the first time. The only two things the homeowner has to do is take this door off and take the leaves out in the fall. And then for peace of mind, take the center out in this leaf filter, push a garden hose through. Now we built this for easy service. We have our French drain man, not quite a 90 down here. It's not really a 90, guys. We're cheating. It's off a few degrees. And it's ramped too. So the shingle gravel, it won't just fall and pile up anymore. It's just going to work its way right to the catch basin. Now, if you just put a garden hose inside that leaf filter once every couple years, and just run the water to the catch basin, you'll catch any shingle gravel that might be laying in that pipe. Just for a peace of mind, it's worth doing. But this 3-inch plus goes underneath or over sprinklers. This is a beautiful run. Job well done. Right here to a pop-up emitter. We have our pop-up emitter that we get our hand down inside. If tree buds and tree seeds happen to float and build up inside there, it's real easy to maintain. We do not tape right here. We want this to leak. We got a pocket of pea stone and some drain fabric. That way, what's ever left in this fitting, when the storm is done, it could leach away into the subsoil. It's a beautiful job by a professional crew. In my 38 years as a contractor, there has never been a kit for underground buried downspouts. There's been a bunch of parts on the shelf that weren't compatible. You had to retrofit all kinds of parts from all disciplines of drainage. The only way we were going to get a custom fit is if we made the parts ourselves. All right, we're doing an unboxing of our 3-inch plus pro kit. Show you guys everything that comes with it, everything that's included. You get a leaf filter, and the leaf filter is your choice. Black or white. And then you also have to know the size. This is a 2x3. Some are 3x4. We also have a 4-inch round. Got a pop-up in here. Our pop-up allows the grass to grow on it and not over it, so it'll always discharge water. We have the pop-up fitting. This is adjustable and it swivels. If your pipe comes in low, you have it set like this. If your pipe is shallow, you just go ahead and swivel it. Your pipe comes in at a higher level. This is a really nice fitting. This is a custom fitting. It's not really a true 90. You cut this down. Our kit 10 is the skill level 1. I say this is like skill level 3. You got to be able to have a hacksaw and cut this to fit. This is our 3-inch plus. This is a little bit bigger than most 3-inch lines. This is everything that's in our 3-inch pro kit. Finally, we no longer have to compromise. Every single part is custom. Nothing is a compromise. We didn't take anything from any discipline other than yard drainage. And all these parts were custom made just for yard drainage. Never done before. First time ever. This is what it looks like to have the perfect underground buried downspout kit. Rated 10 out of 10 by all contractors. This is perfection. If you found any of this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions about this installation, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until that next video,